Hello and welcome to this KBPlus screencast. In this screencast I'm going to show you how you can use the discussion forum that we support alongside KBPlus and how you can use that to discuss either packages in KBPlus or discuss any topic that related to the use of KBPlus or the data stored in KBPlus and related issues. So first of all I'm going to log into KBPlus, and the first screen I see when I log in is the dashboard. And on the right hand side in the third column I see a list of latest discussions. These are discussions being hosted on a third-party product called Zendesk, where you can have discussions related to KBPlus, and when a new discussion is created this list will be updated to show the latest discussions that are happening over on that discussion board. So some of the discussions are created automatically by the system, and you can view another screencast related to how you can use those automatically created forums to track changes and discuss changes related to packages. But in this case I'm going to show you how you can start a new discussion using this functionality, either on a topic of your choosing or related specifically to an existing package in KBPlus. So I'm going to start by navigating to a package, and I can search for a package here as usual. And on each package screen there is now a link to discuss this package in forums. So if I had a question or wanted to ask about this specific package, maybe I want to note that I'm having problems accessing the package at the moment, or some other question about the content, I can use the forums to do that. If I click this link here, it will open in the same window I'm already in. If I click on the arrow, it opens in a new window. So I'm going to do that now. And that takes me into the Zendesk forum. And the Zendesk forums are structured so that you can have discussions that relate directly to an individual package, which is what's happened here. So they've been taken to exactly the right place within Zendesk. And then those groups of discussions are grouped together by the content provider for all of those packages. So I can navigate up one level to see all of the discussion forums that are related to Elsevier. To start a discussion, I use the Add Article option. So Zendesk uses the terminology article, but it's essentially starting a new discussion thread or a new discussion forum. And so I click Add Article, and I'm not logged in at the moment, so it prompts me to log in. You can log in with Twitter or Facebook or Google, or you can create a specific account in Zendesk for it using this link here, the sign up link. I've already got an account, so I can just sign in. And now you can see it's asking me for a title, so I can give my discussion a title of something sensible. Accessing. So I can ask a question, or it could be a more general discussion. And when I'm ready, I can just add that discussion. And once I've added that discussion, then I would see it listed as one of the discussions under this package. So if I'd added that, if I'd gone ahead and added that, we would see it listed here. I can also have discussions that are not related to specific packages. So if I click on the discussions option here, I can see now all of the discussions that are hosted in Zendesk, and I can see that that they're organized by content provider, as I noted before, and I could navigate to any particular package that I wanted to from this page. So for instance, if I suddenly realize what I want to talk about is a JSTOR package, I can find a JSTOR packages and look see if there's any discussion about those. So in this case what we've got is the automated the automatically created forum that's tracking changes on this package, so I could look at that. Also, from the discussions front page, I can see any recent discussions that have been added, so I can click on this recent button to just see the most recently posted comments. And if I want, I can create a new article under any heading that exists. So maybe I want to make a comment about the user interface. I can go to the user interface discussions and I can add an article here and make some comment about the user interface. Maybe I'd like a new function added, or I'd like the user interface to work in a different way, and I can post that there and try and get some discussion with other users and the GIST collections team about that suggestion. So, and when I'm done, I can close that down. Any discussion on the system I can track by email or by RSS. So if we just look at one of the more recent discussions, I can subscribe or unsubscribe to this. I'm already subscribed to this forum, so I could unsubscribe to stop receiving updates, or I can subscribe to receive updates again. I can add .rss onto the end of the URL to be able to get an RSS feed if I want to keep up by RSS, and I can make comments on existing discussions just using the comment box there. So that's the discussion forums, and as those are updated, the display in the KBPlus dashboard as new discussions are added is updated too, so you can always see that there have been new discussions created. But if you want to track them individually, then it's best to do that via Zendesk, via subscribing by email, and you're automatically subscribed to a discussion if you comment on it. So that's discussions in KBPlus and Zendesk. Thank you.